Hi there. So, you guys must be wondering whether it's possible to disperse seed balls in your kitchen garden. And the answer is absolutely yes. So, as part of the Marsabit tree project, we've been distributing hundreds of thousands of seed balls of grasses, trees into the Marsabit landscape. Today, because of the COVID lockdown, I'm actually in Nairobi and I have a packet of East African olive seed balls that I want to disperse, or should I say, plant here in my kitchen garden. So, because this is not a forest, I'll just take about five and I'll put them into some 20-liter jerry cans that I've actually cut out. And then once I drop them in, we'll be able to monitor how they grow and later on see how that progress works. So I'll keep you posted on how those seed balls grow with time, and then later on I'll actually transplant them into places, into other parts of the garden where I can actually let them flourish into big trees. Keep you posted. See you soon.